My beloved child, dedicate this sacred moment to me with your whole heart. That is why I draw near to you now, not with demands, but with pure, unwavering love. Wrap yourself in it. Let my arms gently enfold you, holding you close, soothing every ache within your spirit. My peace is flowing over you now, a stillness that calms the storms within. A new season is approaching, and you will receive it with a quiet, steadfast soul. While others are overwhelmed with fear, you will walk in serenity, for you know with certainty that I love you. No matter what this world brings, I will never leave your side. Speak it aloud, write it down. Who loves you more than anyone, who moved heaven and earth to bless your life, to dry your tears and lift your sorrow. You don't need to fix everything before coming to me. You don't need the perfect words or a flawless life. I simply long for you just as you are. In this very moment, open your heart to me. Let your fears fall away. Lay down your doubts and struggles and rest in my holy presence. I am here. My love for you is eternal, unchanging, unconditional. I will never leave you. I will never forsake you. Set time apart each day to meet with me, not out of duty, but from a place of love. Let these moments with me become your foundation, a wellspring of strength and renewal. I want to walk with you through every season, through joy and pain, through clarity and confusion. Let me speak peace into your worries, purpose into your waiting, and hope into your days. I am not far from you. I am near, closer than your next breath. Even when life feels uncertain, I am working behind the scenes. I am writing a glorious story with your life. Hold tightly to my promises. I see the road ahead, and I have prepared good and perfect things for you. Be patient. Your breakthrough is drawing near. Your heart will sing again. And in every valley I will carry you. In every storm I will shield you. Let this be a turning point, the beginning of a deeper intimacy between us. I am not distant or hard to reach. I am here, whispering your name, drawing you into my heart. Believe in my love, believe in my goodness, and above all, believe I will never stop pursuing you. Be still and know I am your God. Don't turn away in this moment. Trust. This time with me will never be wasted. When our time together ends, you will rise lighter, freer, and healed. Because my love surrounds you and my affection holds you steady. Who gave his life for you? Who cherished you so deeply he conquered death to give you victory? You are mine, chosen, treasured, and beloved. You are not forgotten, overlooked, or insignificant. You are a child of the eternal, holy, and mighty King. I formed you with divine intention, and I see every part of who you are. When you feel small or unworthy, remember who you are in me, an heir of spiritual blessing, created for victory. Let this truth settle deep in your soul. You are not defined by your past, nor by your failures or flaws. You are defined by my love. In my eyes, you are radiant, strong, and full of divine purpose. Come rest in my presence and let me remind you of your worth. Envision my arms around you, lifting you above your fears, whispering hope into every hidden corner of your being. Yes, the world may feel heavy, full of noise and demands. But when you turn to me, I give you a peace that cannot be shaken. Make space for me each day, not because you must, but because you are cherished. In the quiet of our communion, I will strengthen your spirit and guide your every step with wisdom. I long to walk beside you, to speak to you, to reveal the depths of my faithfulness. This bond we share, this sacred relationship, is where your soul will find everything it's been searching for. Even when the path seems unclear, know that I am leading you. My timing is perfect. I am never late. I know the plans I have for you. Plans of hope, purpose, and a future filled with joy. So walk with me, even if the journey feels slow. I am shaping something beautiful in you. I am preparing blessings behind every closed door. Your breakthrough is coming. Let me remind you, you are already victorious in me. The battles you face today do not determine your future. I have already won. My power lives within you. My love surrounds you, and my promises will never fail. You are never alone. You are fully seen, and you are deeply loved. Return to me daily. Let me hold you in my embrace. Let my voice breathe life into your spirit. You are my beloved child, and I delight in you. In me, you will find a safe and everlasting refuge. I will protect you, comfort you,